Robert, are you ready? I don't care, Daddy. We finally made it to Bimini. We ate 2 boxes of conch fritters and we're going for box number 3 right now.
That's good. Good, baby.
And we got baby boy ready for the beach. What's going on down here? We're going in the water with little Robbie for the first time. Well, not for the first time, but first time in Bimini. Baby boy. Look, he doesn't understand. So last time in Bahamas, Dee was playing with her toys. And look at her now. What's up with this girl? What's wrong with her? We have little Robbie over here by the beach. Let's appreciate this. He's in his little floaty with Grandma.
We like the ocean water.
He likes salt water.
First time in Bimini. We are at the honeymoon harbor today. And it's kind of exploring, not so sure about what's going on. He loves it. And Bobo, we are so happy. What are we looking at? The little sharks in the hat or what?
Going to the beach over there. Bye, Juju. Full speed. We need more speed. And here we are on the beach. So this little guy, we found him buried in the sand yesterday. All we could see was this little tip sticking out, this little tip here in the bottom. And so we dug out the rest. And so we found a little piece of a boat, it's a little piece of history. Daddy, catch! Have to now play ferry from the boat to the princess. Right, princess? Aboard, skipper. Aboard, skipper. Here we have our private little beach. Clean up. Here we're hanging harbor in Bimini. We have 4 bags of garbage from this piece of aluminum just sitting on the beach. This piece of wood with the rest attached. attached. Since nobody else cares, we're gonna try and take care of this island ourselves. Hopefully other people get interested. Alright, Cap. Off to the mothership. He's trying to steer the boat, but it's not working.
Oh my god, I'm steering!
The steering's disconnected. We got our baby boy here. We got him boogie boarding.
We got him boogie boarding.
Baby boy. Baby boy. And then we have Suki in the toy that was intended for Robbie, but Bimini Adventures! That's what we're talking about. We want to go see the lighthouse. We found a little bay over here. So we're holding the dinghy in a very, very secure way. I'm really hoping that when I turn this corner, I'm going to find a dinghy. Everything looks to be in order. Sweet! Eating on our little boat, but Mommy still makes sure that we eat very good meals. Today we're having chops with some of her potatoes, with some cheese and sauce and a little bit of dog sauce.
Off to the beach!